Number two.
Number two.
Number two.
Number two. Joe Parkinson.
Number two.
Okay.
Woo! Your current number one, Joe Parkinson. Thanks a lot. It's a great honour. I mean, I've moved up a few places, so it's definitely something I wasn't expecting. I want to thank everyone that helps me, you know, do what I do. I really want to thank my wife, everyone around me. Kind of got a good little crew together, and I really want to thank them all. They know what they do, and they do it great. So thanks everyone, and thanks everyone for turning up, and thanks for this award. Thank you.